Domestic cats live everywhere on Earth. Synanthropic cats are domestic cats that live in the same environment as humans. They can be categorized into owned indoor pets, unowned free-ranging urban cats, cats intermediate between these two groups, rural cats, and feral cats. The key factor determining population density and distribution is the availability and distribution of food resources. It influences spacing pattern, social organization, and mating system. In subantarctic island environments, unowned domestic cats feed on small prey or carrion and live solitarily at a very low density. In urban environments where human-supplied food is abundant, unowned free-ranging urban cats live socially at a very high density. Rural cats feed on small prey and on minimal human-provided food and live at relatively low densities. Social organization also varies. In urban areas, many males and related females share a defended territory. In rural environments, 1 to 2 males form small groups with 2 to 3 related females, often near human dwellings. On subantarctic islands, 2 to 3 females hold exclusive territories within a male's large range. Agonistic behavior differs by context. Urban males display moderate levels of aggression, enabling group living, whereas rural and subantarctic males exhibit higher levels of aggression and territoriality. Mating systems are similarly flexible. Urban cats exhibit promiscuity, with both males and females mating with multiple partners. In rural environments and on subantarctic islands, males are polygynous, but females usually mate with a single male. Infanticide appears only in rural areas, typically by unfamiliar adult males. In urban settings, it is absent, likely due to uncertainty over paternity in a promiscuous system. Genetic studies of kittens reveal unexpected patterns. Although domestic cats are sexually dimorphic, with males being about 20% heavier, dominant males in urban environments do not necessarily sire more offspring. This presents an evolutionary incongruity. If dominance behaviors offered no genetic advantage, they would be counter-selected and eliminated. Thus, the typical mammalian paradigm might not be true for urban domestic cats. 2 hypotheses have been proposed to explain this discrepancy, but empirical research supports the idea that rapid human-induced environmental changes have preserved male competitive traits that are functional in their original environment but ineffective in the new context. How does behavioral plasticity relate to natural selection? Behavioral plasticity allows domestic cats to adapt to ecological pressures by modifying their interactions with new environments without altering genetic diversity, potentially slowing or preventing natural selection. However, traits originally selected for low-density, competitive environments may persist even when less adaptive in urban settings. For instance, despite exploiting new food sources, urban free-ranging cats reproduce less efficiently compared to their rural counterparts. Nonetheless, new traits may be emerging. Earlier reproductive maturity, with some urban cats siring kittens as young as 10 months old, and the potential rise of sperm competition suggests ongoing evolutionary adaptation. Domestic cats are excellent models for studying carnivore plasticity, enabling intraspecific comparisons across populations in diverse environments that have been colonized simultaneously.